If your portfolio isn't getting you hired, we need to talk. You got the skills, you know you are a great designer, but somehow your portfolio isn't showing that. Maybe you don't know where to start. Or worse, you started, but your portfolio feels all over the place. Or probably you're asking yourself, what exactly hiring managers want to see? I get it, I've been there. And that's exactly why I wrote this book. Hey, my name is Ruben Cespedes, and I'm a principal product designer and educator. And I've been in the design industry for about 2 decades. I reviewed countless portfolios, mentored designers, and also help people land jobs in UI UX, graphic design, product design, and beyond. After seeing so many designers struggle with the same issues, I decided to create something that could help. That's why I wrote the Self-Made Portfolio, a step-by-step guide to creating a portfolio that actually gets results. This book walks you through the entire process, so you don't waste your time guessing. You will learn how to structure your portfolio, craft case studies that tell a story, and showcase your skills in a way that stands out. And no, it's not about making it look pretty. It's about making it effective. Well, if you want to land your first UI UX design job, this book shows you how. Maybe a freelancer trying to attract better clients. I got you covered. Or maybe even if you have a portfolio, I'll help you refine it so you stop getting ignored. So if you're serious about leveling up your design career, grab your copy of the Self-Made Portfolio now. The link is in the description below.